Good evening, folks. This is another S Group daily review video. This is video number 9. Hope you guys having a great evening. We just got notification that we got our earnings for the day. So it was actually a really good day today. Going to the notification bell at the top here, as you see the daily deposit income, 0.71%. So on the money that I have invested in the system, in the Forex market, I made $71.82 today, guys. $71.82. So you see it's a higher day as opposed to yesterday. Yesterday went up, and the day before 0.43, and then it went to 0.53. Now it's 0.71. So this percentage, guys, this is how much the intelligently programmed bot earned today on the money you have invested in the Forex market. So what it does is it takes like the Forex market, guys. It's a currency market where you're basically, in this case, the computerized bot. He's betting against two currencies, whether they're going to go up or down. So I think they do about 3 or 4 different trades, and buy buy low, sell high, I believe. So So that's kind of how that works. It's kind of, sorry guys, I'm just flipping through a few things. It's kind of intricate, but that's kind of how the computerized bot works. So it just makes money for you on autopilot. So all you have to do, guys, is just have money invested in the system. And as you do so, as you see over time, you'll rack up a good chunk of change. So far I'm at $9,382.60. That's how much money I've made in the system since October 2020 is when I first put money in the system to start. It's now May 19th, 2022. So about just over a year and a half in the system here. So yeah, I'm just trucking along, guys. I haven't been doing any withdrawals as of yet. I will be doing some of those videos. I'm looking to probably do a withdrawal when I get to around, like when all these two numbers here add up to 15 or 16,000. The thing is I'm just building my account right now, so I'm taking all my earnings and I'm reinvesting it back in. So I'm taking this monthly income portion, throwing it back into the total deposit, because that's what it trades on and that's what it earns money on. So yeah, I'm just reinvesting it back in. So I kind of want to keep things moving and keep things growing. So yeah, guys, this is the S Group investment company. If you guys are interested in getting involved in this, first of all, subscribe to my channel. Hit the subscribe button down below, and subscribe to my channel. Check all my daily updates. Of course, I'll be showcasing more things as the weeks and months pass by. I'll show you like withdrawal videos. I'll show you different things you can do. You can also go underneath the career section, build up a team, which I'm kind of doing right now, which I was just going to get to. Click on the link below and sign up underneath my sign up link. Referral link down there. You can become a part of my team. I'll walk you through everything, and I'll educate you on everything on how the system works and functions and all the different things you can do with it. I have over a year and a half experience, so and yeah, so I mean, it's pretty straightforward, guys. They've come a long way. They used to be called Sincere Systems Group. Now they're called S Group. So you might see some older videos from other members showing Sincere Systems Groups, but made a new batch of videos. I had some videos lingering around from early 2021, and I kind of got rid of those videos because it's not Sincere Systems Group anytime. The link has changed. A bunch of things have changed in the back office. There's now an S wallet, which I haven't shown you guys, but it's like a digital crypto wallet where you can store different types of currencies, whether it's Bitcoin, just US dollar, Ethereum, all those different currencies and stuff. But that's something we can get into a later discussion. But for now, we're dealing with Forex, guys, and I'm earning. I'm at the 75/25% tier. So I earn 75% on the trade and they keep 25%. So yeah, so guys, sign up on the link in the description, and that ends my 5-minute daily review video. So see you guys in the next video. Take care.